Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cool unidirectional movement effects in CapCut. So here, you just need to add a clips to CapCut and then just go to effect and go straight to the body effect and then select the hallucination category and then scroll down until you find this unidirectional movement effect. Click on the effect and here you can adjust the speed and also the rotate if you want. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon and your video will go like this after you apply the effect. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks button, click on the thumbs up button, and leave a comment. Bye.